Hi, my name is Catherine Went with Syscon, and thanks for taking a moment of your time. Today I wanted to talk about something a little fun, drones. So whether you're using them personally, and we have family members that are, or whether you're using them for business, flying over job sites, or the job that you're on, they are using drones to monitor the job sites. There's some interesting information and some new rules for 2021. So it turns out that drones, according to the FAA, is the fastest growing segment of the entire transportation sector. And construction is one of the fastest vertical markets that is incorporating drones as part of their businesses. So a couple of things. There is this new category called remote ID, and the drone pilots can go ahead and apply for this status. It is related to pilot training, the size of the drone, and a couple of other factors. And then once they have that status, they can actually fly at night, and they can fly over people-populated areas, following some very specific rules, of course. With this ID in place, the FAA is in a better position to monitor where aircraft are and to make sure that there isn't going to be interference, and especially know who is flying over those people-populated areas. So kind of interesting technology, interesting to see it growing, and very interesting to see an exceptional growth right in our own industry, construction. So check it out. Make sure that if you're flying drones personally or for business, that you're up on these latest rules. And if you have any other questions, you can check out our article. Thanks for your time, and I hope you have a great rest of your week.